What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be tearing down the K24. Some of you may have already seen it on Instagram, but I was getting metal shavings in the oil. I found scarred cams and cam towers, so I ended up putting new cams, the DC 3.2s, cam towers, track tough baffled oil pan, the oil pump baffle, and the 5th cam tower oil mod. Shortly after I did all that, I had the car retuned, raced one more event, and was still getting metal shavings. So I'm going to tear down the motor and see what I can find. You can see it. A little afro on the end of the magnetic plug. Not good. It's the whole reason why I'm tearing it apart again. Like I said, had probably 20 miles on the oil change. Sorry the camera died when I was pulling the motor apart. But as you can see, after inspecting everything, has a lot of wear and tear on the cylinder walls, some actually scarring that I can feel with my hand. And I found out why I was getting metal shavings in the oil. I don't know if you guys can see it. Scarring on the rust washers. Let's say that's why there was metal shavings. This one's pretty bad. The camera will focus. Also some scoring on the crank. This might be hard to see. You can kind of see some right there. I'd say that's probably why. All the other journals look alright. All the bearings, main bearings and rod bearings look fine. It's just the thrust washers, maybe even some from the cylinder walls. Who knows? I'm glad I did not supercharge this motor, because that would have been bad. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. I think the cost to rebuild this would be about the same as me just getting another motor, as cheap as these are nowadays. So we'll see. Well, I've had a busy ass night. Went to Greensboro, picked up 2 new motors. One ended up being not good. Had something wrong with the head. There's k24a2. And then also got another k24a2. As far as I can see, everything looks good. I'm gonna tear the rest of it apart tomorrow and check the bearings and whatnot. There's the k24 head. Everything looks good on that. There's a pile of scrap metal from both of the motors. And there's the K20 head. I don't know if it's bent valves, burnt valves. I don't know, we'll have to see. Busy night, tearing everything apart. Alright, so I finished tearing the K24 apart. Ended up finding bad main bearings in it. Looks like some kind of metal, I believe it was aluminum, got inside the bearings. So tomorrow I'm gonna be getting everything ready, cleaned up, ready to go to the machine shop. I think what I'm gonna do is do a simple 11-to-1 build, mainly H-beams, probably Y-scope pistons, and then I got the K20 head inside, cleaning it up some, getting it ready for the machine shop also. I'm going to pull all the valves and dual valve springs and retainers out of that, and have the machine shop seat the valves. A little bit more work than I intended, but it is what it is. I have a fully built motor when it's all done.